Hey everybody, this is Dr. Coval, and I was going to talk to you today just about the importance of using heartworm prevention and using heartworm prevention monthly all year round. And the main reasoning for that is that the way the medication works is how it is killing those little larvae that the mosquito carry that have given to the dog, and so they need that prevention every 30 days. Heartworm disease is very prevalent, especially in the South. They get it from mosquitoes, which, as we know, are everywhere around here, and unfortunately are here year-round. I know that I've seen them in my own house in the wintertime and things like that, so I do think it is a great habit to get into in using it monthly. One of the other benefits of using heartworm prevention is that it also will control intestinal parasites, especially hookworms and roundworms. So you get that added benefit monthly of making sure you don't have to worry about those kinds of parasites in addition to the heartworms. And heartworm disease can be deadly. I mean, it is something that I've seen, thankfully not common, but I have seen several patients that have succumbed to heartworm disease, and it causes some devastating effects in the heart. So the more we can do to prevent it is better. The treatment for heartworm disease is pretty hard on the dog's body, and so again, if we can avoid that, it's better for them. I was going to just touch on the cost of if your pet would be heartworm positive. The treatment itself is a medication that kills the adult heartworms, and in that process, the dog does have to be very quiet and so very activity restricted, which is hard in these guys, but that is a key component in avoiding complications that happen. And the cost, it varies because it's based on the dog size, but the cost usually is anywhere from like $600 to $1,000 for a treatment, and maybe even a little bit more if it's a large breed dog. So the monthly prevention is a way cheaper option, and again, we're trying to get ahead of it and prevent anything from happening. When we compare the prices, we're very comparable to what Chewy's prices are. We do have a paw plan discount. It's a 20% discount on the preventions, and so if you enroll your pet in that, you can get those savings, and that's immediate. The one other benefit from getting the products through us instead of Chewy is that the manufacturer does have a guarantee on their products for the intestinal parasites and heartworm disease. And so if they would develop heartworm disease, then they will provide coverage for the treatment. So we just have to document that your pet has bought the product from a veterinarian, and Chewy does not offer that guarantee. So that is another benefit in getting it from your veterinarian, and it can help tremendously in the cost savings.